The Missouri Supreme Court blocks a plea deal that would stop an execution for a man who has been on death row for the murder of a St. Louis Post-Dispatch reporter who was found stabbed in her University City home in 1998. Fox 2's Kelly Hoskins has more on the DNA evidence in question.
Now, the Missouri Supreme Court said that the circuit court here could not change Marcellus Williams' sentence without an evidentiary hearing, leaving more questions than answers. Marcellus Williams was supposed to be sentenced Thursday morning after agreeing Wednesday to a plea deal that would avoid execution. But that sentencing did not happen. Advocates are determined to save his life.
We are all hoping that Marcellus will be ultimately exonerated.
The judge was expected to determine if Williams' conviction should be overturned. It was revealed DNA evidence was mishandled and potentially contaminated. A deal was offered to spare his life if Williams entered an Alford plea.
Which, by the way, means there's no contest if the evidence goes forward against me. It's not saying he's guilty, he's just saying I don't want to fight it, there's no contest. I was surprised at the outcome, but at the same time, I was happy to see a man that was given the death penalty had a chance to spare his life.
There was a plea deal that was brought up yesterday, and the plea was, it was not a plea of guilty, it was a plea to no contest or the Alford plea. That could be reinstated, or there will be a whole nother vacation of the sentence. We really don't know what the judge is going to decide, what the outcome of the hearing is going to be, because what happened yesterday basically has been done away with.
Williams was convicted of stabbing to death Lisa Gale inside her suburban St. Louis home back in 1998. But Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey opposed that deal and filed a writ with the Missouri court to stop the proceedings. The Missouri Supreme Court has agreed, saying the judge must hold an evidentiary hearing. Bailey said, in part, someone needs to assert the jury's determination in the legal process. Too often, people forget about all the evidence that was used to convict the defendant. The evidentiary hearing has been set for Wednesday, August the 28th. Reporting in Clayton, Kelly Hoskins, Fox 2 News.